Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on bounce keys function in Samsung Galaxy S22. So where to look for this option and how to turn it on. First of all, we need to go to settings, then we are looking for our accessibility options in the menu. Next, in interaction and dexterity. At the bottom we have our bounce keys. So what does this function do exactly? We have short explanation here. Prevent accidental key press by setting a delay before a second tap on the same key is accepted. So to turn on this option, we simply need to tap it once. As you can see, by default we have half a second delay. And that's it, no need to save. We can safely go back to our home screen. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.